வானம் யாவும் மேகம் வந்த மேகம் யாவும் காகம் அந்த தாகம் என்றும் தேகம் வேண்டுமே வா வா தோழா.
The first day of our chill trip, we visited Delhi, and in Delhi, the first spot that we visited was Qutub Minar. Qutub Minar is just behind you. Next, we visited India Gate, but due to some other construction work, we were not allowed near to the India Gate. In the second day of the trip, we have started from our hotel, and now we are on the way to Agra, and we have taken the Yamuna Express highway now from Delhi to Agra, and the sceneries is included in the video, and almost it will take nearly 3 hours 30 minutes to get to view Taj Mahal from Delhi when we take this particular expressway. After traveling 1 hour, we have reached almost near the first toll plaza in the Yamuna Express highway, and I think it's a long queue. Can we go by that way? Here the two lanes are closed. I think it was for the protest that was taken some few days back against the law. As the two lanes are closed, we could see some traffic here.
आगरा पंचायत चेंज दे दिए
After such a long queue, we have started from the toll plaza, and again we are on the way to Agra, Taj Mahal in the Yamuna Express highway. We reached the place Poya. We stopped here to have a small cup of tea. the tea in an earthen pot, and it's so tasty. Now we have reached Taj Mahal. Actually, there are 3 entry gates to Taj Mahal: Eastern Gate, Western Gate, and Southern Gate. Today, Southern Gate is closed, so we are entering through the Western Gate now. So this is the grave of Fatehpur Begum, the first wife of Shah Jahan. So this is the mosque in memorial of Fatehpur Begum. I think this is the shortcut way. What is this way mainly for? What is this way mainly for?
Actually, this is the labor colony.
Okay.
20,000 workers to make Taj Mahal. They are not lived inside the Taj. They lived here.
Okay.
Shahjahan provides 3 labor colony outside of Southern Gate.
Okay.
So this also one of them. So these are the newly construction. But basically you can see the small bricks.
Yes. Okay.
Look at the construction. These are the old.
So this is the way that we use to avoid lines.
Yeah, we will actually, and Western Gate is a general gate of Taj Mahal. This gate attach 3 parking. So more than 70 or 60% visitor enter of this Western Gate.
Okay.
And Eastern Gate there is only 1 parking. So less crowd come. That's why we will enter within 5 minutes.
Okay. So now we are moving to Eastern Gate.
Eastern Gate. Look at, I'm talking about this kind of construction.
So these are the old constructions where the laborers used. Laborers lived here. So almost 20,000 laborers who constructed Taj Mahal. They lived in this particular labor colony, and this colony was provided by Shah Jahan.
Shahjahan provides 3 labor colonies. This is also one of them.
Okay. This is the royal gate of Taj Mahal, and on top you can see 11 domes, and similarly to the other side of this gate you can see another 11 domes. So 11 plus 11, 22, which is an indication or a symbol of the years that made this Taj Mahal into the Taj Mahal that is right now. So 22 years it took to build Taj Mahal, and it is a symbol of that. And so look at that white marble building. So from this main gate it looks so closer, but actually it is almost 250 to 300 meters from the main gate. And so here you can see the Holy Quran's inscriptions, and it reads like the morning prayer, Surah Fajr, and it is read from right to the left. So it seems like some painting has been done, but it's not painting, it's black stones, and it was brought from Belgium during the construction. So this is the workman station. Here the laborers, so when the Taj Mahal was built, they did all the crafts work and marble cutting works.
वो वहीं से लेंगे, जब एग्जिट करेंगे तब निकालेंगे। अंदर आने की
So the actual name of this artwork is Pietro Duera, and in India it is called as inlay work.
Very small area, so be careful.
Finished Taj Mahal and we are exiting now through the west gate, and on the way to our car we are going to visit mini Taj Mahal and Meena Bazaar. Earlier this Meena Bazaar was inside this main gate, but later on it is moved outside, so we are going to have a visit now. After seeing Taj Mahal, Mini Taj Mahal and Meena Bazaar, we are on the way back to Delhi to catch our bus for Manali. And unlike the forward journey, for the return journey we are using the Madura road. We didn't take the Yamuna Express highway. Instead we are taking the Madura road, so that we can have the feel or have the look of how this particular place is. I think when we take Yamuna Express highway, it will cost you simply almost 3.5 hours to reach from Delhi to Taj Mahal. But when we take Mathura road, I think it will take almost 5 hours.